watching. Wind directions are moving all around.
Hail, hail.
Oh, my ears are popping. Guys, we need to be fucking careful.
It's on us on the right.
Intercepted. Push through it. I'm calling 911 to report it. I'm calling 911. Yeah, call 911. There has to be a tornado out there.
We're